Give me a kiss. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have Pheonix participating in. This is my dog for all of you that do not know. His name is Pheonix and he just turned 3 on December 7th. He is a Husky, Pug, and Beagle. Today for you all we are going to be unboxing our monthly subscription to BarkBox. BarkBox is a monthly subscription box, in case you guys do not know, that caters to dogs and it does cater to other animals as well, right? Right. Woohoo! So we're so excited. We so excited. We're so excited. I haven't done one of these videos here on my channel before, and I thought it would be quite interesting to see how he reacts to some of the toys and treats that we're gonna get. So if you would like to see what Pheonix got in his BarkBox, then just keep on watching. Opening up the BarkBox, it looks like this, and the very first thing is this, and it says to pop out the crown, and it is a crown for your dog. So I'm gonna see if, I already ripped it. How is this even gonna work? Let me put this on you. Look, sit, wait. Oh. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. And there are some pretty nice toys. The first one is this horse. Look at this. Look at this horse. You like it? Squeaker and some rope. Get it. Get that toy. Get that toy. Get that toy. So he likes that a lot. Do you like that one? You like this one? Yes. All right, look at this. Look. Look, Pheonix. What's this? What's this? So this is the next toy in the box, and this looks like a big fat Santa King, doesn't it? You like this one, huh? I'm trying to see if it has any squeaker. So it has a little right back here that has that crunchy feeling, and I'm not feeling a squeaker at the moment, but you might find one, huh? So this, get it, get it. Oh, good boy. Come here, bring me that toy. Oh, it does make sound. It does make sound. Ooh. Oh my, here. Oh, there you go. There you go. He likes that one a lot. You like that one, bud? He likes that one. And then there's a few more items in the box here. So I see we got another toy. Oh, what is this? Oh, this looks like a big meat bone. What is it? What is it? You want it? You want it? Give me a kiss. No? What is it? Ready? Paw. Paw. Good boy. Here you go. Oh, he's got a meat bone. Oh my gosh, my dog is carrying a full meat bone around. Never before seen. That one's cute, huh, buddy? You like that one? Yeah, that one's got a nice squeaker, huh? Oh, yeah. You're digging into that. Oh, yes. Do you want to try some treats? Want to try some treats? Look, I have 3 different treats in here. The first one I'm not going to open. This is by Play-Doh Pet Treats. It's their Thinker's Duck recipe. And this is just a stick. Come over here. Come. Come over here. Come here. Come with your meat bone. Come with your meat bone. Oh, yes. Good boy. This treat right here is the Fryer Dogs Hearty Stem Ham and Veggie Dog Snacks. This one I think he's going to like a lot. Yes, do you want to try a treat? And then this is the BarkBox Tuna and Chicken Dog Snacks. This makes me like weary because tuna, kind of weird, right? So let's open this up. So they're little tiny sticks like this. Look at this stick. And it's ham and veggie. Ready? Tell me if you like it. Do you like it? Now, Pheonix is actually kind of weird with treats. The big milk bones, he feels like he needs to hide around the house instead of eat them. So we have a lot of treats that have never been eaten around this house. So I don't know if he's going to eat it on camera or not. This is the Tuna and Chicken Dog Snacks. This one looks, oh my gosh, these look like little beef patties. Is it good? Are you eating it? Oh yes, look at this treat. Another one. Ready? Do you want it? I don't know if you're gonna like that one. Go. Do you like that? I think he definitely likes these a lot. Those are all the treats I got, and then we got this one for later. Okay? Alright guys, so that does complete Pheonix's BarkBox unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed seeing his reaction to the toys and treats. He definitely does love everything that we got. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys!